the rustling of leaves in a gentle breeze. My grandmother emerging out of a 50-year-old grass-thatched house. And out we went. I, lifted high, facing the rising sun, which transitioned from darkness of night to bright of day. My delicate body, catching shivers from the cold, smeared with cow dung and local herbs.
But I